Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of March's Boxycharm Boxyluxe box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so as usual, I did go ahead and try out the makeup products that are in this box off camera before I film this. That way I can give you guys my first impressions of the products. So here is the card this month. It is Spring Luxe is the theme. It's a nice floral card, and of course on the back is the prices and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and get skincare out of the way first. So first thing I'm seeing in here is from Truly, and this is the Cocoa Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter. And this retails for $35. I'm curious as to what it smells like, but I think it's, oh no, it's not sealed. I thought it was going to be sealed. That actually smells pretty good. So I'm excited to use this. So there's the first product. Then we have something in here from Verb. And it is the Morning Jaba Juba Treatment Oil. I probably didn't say that right. But anyways, treatment oil. And this retails for $20. And I'm assuming it's just like in a glass bottle. Yep, it's a nice glass bottle with a dropper in it, so that's nice. Alright, then we have something in here from Kate Somerville, and this is their Skin Health Expert. It's a recharging serum. This retails for $78, and it's in a nice glass or frosted glass bottle. I think it's a bottle. Actually, it might be plastic. Doesn't really sound like glass, does it? But it kind of looks like glass. I don't know. I don't know if this is glass or plastic. It could be either, but it looks like it has like a nice pump. Yeah, it's got a nice pump, so yeah, I'm curious to try this out. Alright, so next up we have something from LYS. This is their Complexion Brush Duo. So it's got one foundation and one sculpting bronzer brush in here, and this retails for $30. So I didn't actually use these because I wanted to be able to show them to you guys clean and all, and I knew I'd get them dirty if I used them, so let me just pull them out of their little thingy, out of the packaging. Alright, so this one is, I think, let's see, this is the sculpting and bronzing brush. My lights might be a little too bright. And then we have the foundation brush. So they feel like really nice soft brushes. I don't typically use foundation brushes, but I do use bronzing brushes. So we'll see. I might give them a try. I think my sister might use a brush for foundation, so I might give this to her. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, and then moving on, we have actually a product that I think that they placed in here and they didn't mean to, because on the list there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 products listed, and I actually have 9 products in the box. Yeah, so I have actually 9 products, so I think this one just got placed in my box, but it probably wasn't supposed to be in my box. Anyway, it's some lashes. These are from MAC. Okay, so the style is Opportunist Lash in 86. So I don't actually know how much these retail for. I'm assuming if it's MAC, it's probably around $20, I would think. I didn't use them because I'm not much of a lash person, and I may end up passing this on to a family member or a friend, so that's why I didn't use these. Anyway, so I guess I got a freebie, which is nice. Alright, so I actually forgot to mention what my choice items were for the box. So apparently this was my choice item, so I'm assuming if I picked this, I didn't have any other, I didn't have a makeup option. And I also chose this as my second option. So those are my 2 options. And so if I picked skincare, it was probably skincare or skincare. Anyway, so moving on, let's see. We have something in here from KVD. And this is the Tattoo Pencil Liner. This is their Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. This retails for $22. And when I first opened this and looked at it, I thought it was a pencil, and I was really kind of like, ugh, I don't like pencils. I'm not a big fan of pencils that you have to sharpen, but it's not an actual pencil, although it does look like one. On the bottom here, you can actually roll it up. So that is really nice because, yeah, I don't like having to sharpen eyeliner pencils. I think they're kind of old and out of date, and I don't know, they always never seem to work that well, and you always get like that sharp edge on the pencil that just is always uncomfortable to use. So yeah, so I'm glad this is an actual gel roll-up one. And I did use it, and it's just in my waterline on my top lid, and it seemed to work pretty well, so I'm glad to have gotten this. And it's just in the shade black. Alright, so then we have something in here which is a duplicate, because I have gotten this product before. So this is from Uma, or Oma, I don't know how you want to say it, and it is the Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Mascara. This retails for $19.50. And I didn't use this today because the one that I already have was in here, and I just didn't feel like getting up to use it, because I've used it before. And I plan on probably either keeping this as a backup or passing this on. So I don't mind getting mascaras, but it's just I already got this one before. Anyway, so it's just in this nice gold packaging. From what I remember, I think I didn't mind the mascara. I don't think I thought it was anything like too spectacular, but it's a nice mascara. Alright, so 2 more products in the box and then we're done. So next we have something in here from Iconic London, and this is their multi-use lip and cheek palette. This retails for $55. And I did try this out today, so let me show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll tell you my opinions. So nice, just sleek looking packaging. And then here is the actual palette. So there's 6 cream blushes, and it has a nice, wide range of shades here. So I did use it. I used predominantly these 2 shades here because that's around my skin tone. Yeah, it seemed to be pretty nice. I wasn't for sure if I was going to like the fact that they're creams, and I'm not completely convinced yet that I do like this product. I don't know. I'll keep using it. I do see it on my cheeks, and it did go on pretty nicely. It did seem like I had to build it up to get it to be like this. I just used a brush because I don't like using my fingertips to apply cream products to my face. I don't know, I just don't like doing that. So I did use a brush, and like I said, I had to kind of build it up, but it does seem like a nice, and it does seem like it didn't move my foundation too much. I was kind of concerned it moved it over here, but I don't think it did. And if it did, it was only a little bit. So yeah, I'll keep this product for now. I may eventually declutter it if I just don't see myself using it. If I don't use it much, I'll probably end up decluttering it, but for now, I think I'll get some use out of it. And like I said, I can see it on my cheeks, and it did go on pretty well, aside from just having to build it up a little bit. So I really don't have much complaints about it. I'm definitely not one of those people that likes those multi-use kind of products. I don't really care for products that are like, oh, you can use it on your cheeks, your eyes, your lips. I just prefer to either use it on my cheeks or lips only, I don't really like to do that. But anyways, last but not least is something here from Pat McGrath Labs, and this is their Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $36. So I was pretty excited to see Pat McGrath palette in here. I've never tried one of their palettes before, but here is the packaging. Now, I don't know much about Pat McGrath. I mean, I've heard of Pat McGrath, but I always thought they were kind of like the bougie or pricier brand. I don't know. Maybe they're not. Maybe I just thought they were. But here's what the inside looks like. So we only have 1 matte shade and 4 shimmers. This is what I currently have on my lids, and I'd say it's a pretty nice palette. I wasn't for sure how I was going to feel about the whole only 1 matte shade, and the matte shade is kind of a deeper tone, but it worked out. I used this shade as my overall lid shade, but I went in very lightly and just used it in my crease and then just kind of blended it out. And then I used this shimmer shade as most of the middle part of the lid, and then I did use this kind of like in the corners, this other shimmer, and then I did end up using this matte shade again as like the outer corner, kind of deepening it up, and I did pack it more on to get it to be darker. So yeah, it's a nice palette, and I'm glad to have gotten it in my box. The only thing is, I don't really know if I think it's worth $36 considering it's only a 5-pan. I don't know. The quality is nice, like the shimmers were nice, but I did have to build them up, so it's not like they were super pigmented. Not a bad palette, but honestly it's the packaging that kind of throws me off. It's kind of like that cardboard packaging, like, I don't know. For $36, I would thought that it would be kind of like a hard plastic or something. I don't know. I may just be being too overly critical, but it's a nice palette. Alright, so that's everything in the box, and I'm going to go ahead and tally up the price so that you guys know the overall value. And then after that, I'll do a final run through and give you guys my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value for this month's box was $295.50. So not too bad considering what I paid for the box. Alright, so final rundown on everything. So I do feel like it was pretty balanced when it comes to the skincare versus like how heavy on the skincare versus the makeup side. I feel like 3 skincare products is not that bad. So the skincare that I did get was this oil, which I'm curious to use, and then we got a serum, which is interesting. I've never tried too many Kate Somerville products, so I am curious about that. And I don't mind getting these body butter things. I feel like I have gotten one before, but I don't remember if it was from this exact brand, so I don't know if it's a duplicate or not. So I feel like that was not too bad. Then when it comes to the makeup side or the beauty side, I don't mind getting these brushes. I do think these are really nice brushes, and I probably will get some good use out of this. The mascara was kind of a letdown to get a duplicate of it, but it is a decent mascara, a nice mascara, so I don't mind having a backup of it. I mean, it saves me from having to buy more mascara. The eyeliner I think is pretty nice. I do like these kind of gel eyeliners, and like I said, it's a big bonus that it's an actual roll-up eyeliner and not a pencil eyeliner. I really don't like the pencil ones, so that's a plus. And then these eyelashes are nice to get, but I think this was kind of a mistake on their end. I don't think I was meant to get these, but you know, I'm not really complaining. I'll just end up passing these on. So there is kind of a freebie, I guess, accidental freebie. And then I think the main stars of this box here is the Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, and then the Iconic London blush palette here. These are my 2 favorite products out of the entire box. So yeah, these products definitely did make it worth it, and all the other stuff is just kind of bonuses. So overall, I think the Luxie box really was worth it in my opinion. For me personally, I find it worth it. I'm pretty happy with what I got. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help on my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. Did you guys get the same box? And if you did, what did you think of your box? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!